Okay, so I'm going to show you all how I put together this Woodstock typewriter. I got these little short foam. They come in a 4-pack and they look like the big solid bricks. Just make sure you get just the correct one at the dollar store. And I just pushed it down into the keys. And I'm going to start adding, I'm going to put this, now this is bent and broke and it doesn't really fit back on here very well. So I'm going to try the best I can to get it at least one side latched on. It's kind of lopsided, but it doesn't really bother me. Yeah, as long as one side's on for me, that's fine. See, right there. This side's on, this side's bent and off, so I can't use it. Now, I got my vintage typewriter for $30. I'm going to put these in first. I love these. These are caqpo, I don't know how you say that. I can't even pronounce it. I wanted this look, so and we're going to use a little bit of hot glue if I'm not sticking it into something. I do want to hot glue it onto something inside. She didn't get the memo she was supposed to cooperate. Look how real these look. These are awesome. I really love this company. I will, the silk flowers or the fake succulents are awesome. I went with fake because I kill everything green. So I will leave a link in my bio to my Amazon, and I get a percentage if you buy those succulents. Oh, I didn't know I had glitter glue in. Look at that cat hair. They do not, it does not come with cat hair when you buy them. I should have cleaned them before. I left them out on the table and the cats just went crazy and took off with a few of them and had to chase them down. And yeah, so. All right, let me make sure these are glued down very good, especially this little girl here. She's moving around. So I'm just gluing her to the other flowers and to the typewriter itself. Hot glue is easy if you actually want to take it apart and try to fix it later. Hot glue is easy to pull off these typewriters. Right there, and I'm just gonna stick this plant right there so it kind of looks all together. And I love this, so we want the hanging off the side a little bit. Now if you want to glue those to the flowers or the plants, you can. There, finally. Okay, that looks a little bit better. And then just move them around, make sure everything is glued down. So now that I've got that in place, I'm going to just sneak in here and just glob in some glue. And that should stick to the other flowers and plants. And we are done. Rearrange some petals here. She looks gorgeous. Now the succulents I purchased off Amazon. I do have an affiliation link. So you just go to my main website. It's up in my bio. And then click on Amazon. It's the only thing I have right now in my Amazon because this is the first thing I've made. And I signed up for the affiliate, so I do get a percentage, but this is the brand that they're by. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. They had 5-star ratings across the board, like thousands, 5-star. No 4 stars, no 3 stars. They were perfect. I went ahead. They're a little pricey. They're either $28 or $30. They were worth it because they look so good, so real. They've got texture to each one. Now, mine have cat hair on them. They don't come with cat hair. Shouldn't have laid mine out on the counters. My cats even opened the bag and took off. These were their favorites. So those are the most damaged because these have actually been chewed on already. So they don't come with cat hair. But this is a great company, and I did sign up on Amazon to be an affiliate, so I do get a percentage if you click on the link and then buy these succulents. And let me know if you have any questions. Everybody, let's go get some antique cheap typewriters, and let's make some gorgeous stuff.